I'm harvesting a bowl of snap peas almost every single day, so I'm trying to incorporate it in every single meal. And today we're making curry laksa, but from the paste. I got this paste when I was traveling in Malaysia and I brought it back to United States. Now, before we do that, I have a 5-year-old, 3-year-old, and an 8-month-old during the recording of this video. My 8-month-old is eating solids and she absolutely loves peanut noodles. So that's what I'm making right now, which is smooth, creamy peanut butter. She absolutely loves having noodles or spaghetti, but peanut noodles are one of her absolute favorites. After warming up the noodles, I set it aside and I started finishing up the sauce, which is smooth peanut butter, sesame oil, soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, and then sesame seeds. Now it's optional, you can add a little bit of chili powder. I'm using paprika. I didn't want to make it too spicy. It is an infant and I don't want to scare her, and this is one of her favorite dishes. Now once the ingredients are all mixed and well combined, I added the noodles. As I was folding those noodles in, I realized it was a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit of coconut milk and some water until I reached the consistency that I wanted. And there you have it, simple, easy, quick, peanut noodles fit for toddlers. Now let's work on the rest of the dinner, and that's going to be for the grown-ups. So we're making curry laksa, but we're using the packet, and I just put it in the pan and started warming that up. During that time, I'm chopping up some cucumbers. My kids love having cucumbers, so I'm doing some thinly sliced ones. Added a little dash of water, that's what the package said. And then these leaves. I'm eating broccoli leaves, so I'm rolling it up and cutting it thinly sliced. I grew broccoli in the yard, and the heads aren't really that big, but you can eat every single part of the broccoli. So that's what I'm doing. I have some bean sprouts, added that in, and of course those sugar snap peas that we have loads of. Tofu puffs, I love having these in any curry meat or curry laksa. So I got those and added it in as well, along with the coconut milk. I did stick half of the tofu puffs in an air fryer and crisp it up extra crispy for my kids as well. The rest of the ingredients are just going to be some Thai basil and cilantro that I had. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the dish with that. I know this is not authentic and it's not made from scratch. I'm busy. I got 3 little kids. So I want to eat the most authentic meal that I can from Asia without that much effort. I did a little taste test and I felt like the laksa was a little too salty and I wanted to add more milk to it, but I didn't want to open up another can of coconut milk, so I just poured in some oat milk. I'm going to go ahead and stir this around and bring it back to a boil, do one more taste test, and it's good to go. Now I did reserve half of the tofu puffs for my kids and I put them in the air fryer to make them extra crispy. And there you have it, semi-authentic curry laksa from Malaysia. Jom makan! Whee! There's our sauce. And what are you guys eating? Peanut noodles. The kids are eating peanut noodles. We're eating. Yes, those are crunchy tofus.